Hello everyone, welcome to the video. First you just have to make a curve, after that lower to it you just have to make a cylindrical similar body, and now the focus is done on the ears and the trunk is area is to be made. Now we have to make the body of this jumbo elephant, and it's very simple and easy. Fill it with blue color. We will now move further towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to make the two tiny circles and you just have to join them by linking them together. Now another round shape is made that is going to represent the body of this fish, and the rest of the features that's the fins are to be made. You just have that to be made. You just have to center area also. Let's move further towards our another activity. First, make this circle, then trace down the number 1 and the 2. 1 is forward and 2 is in the background. Backward, then you just have to make the long ears, and the rest of the features are also made like the eyes, nose, tiny tail, and a carrot also. Let's move further towards another activity. You just have to make this curvier line, and after that another line. You just have to make a bulgy portion from the upper area. Now the eye is also made. It's going to represent a eel. You just have to add some of the fins to this top of it. You can see it's playing with the ball. We will now move further. First, you just have to trace down the number 3 4 times, and after that, you are going to build the monkey over the number 3 that you have traced down earlier. You just have to add the features of the monkey. The second tree is used to convert it into the rabbit. For this one, you just have to add the features of the rabbit. Just pause the video and try to make this one. Another tree, that's the third one, is used to convert it into a cute little rat. You just have to make the whiskers and a long tail. Now, the fourth is used for making the fish. Add the fins and some of the stripes over it. It looks so good. Let's move towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to make the circle, then you just have to make the number 1, then the 2. After that, the circle is filled with some of the facial features of the monkey. Ears are also made, and the body is made by joining all these numbers together one after the another in a sequential way. Fill it with some bright colors. Let's move towards our another activity. First, we are going to show you to make a shape that's similar to the cloud, and after that, from the lower area, you just have to make the U shape. Then the ears are also made. Here we are going to make the sheep. The body is also very simple, and the legs are made, and the tail is also made. This looks so cute and easy. Add some grass in the background. Let's move now further towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make this one slice of the, we can say, watermelon, and over it is a rabbit that's trying to eat it, and it's already taken one of the bite. It looks so cute. We will now move further toward our another activity. You just have to make the two circles and you just have to join them together from the upper area. You just have to make the body portion, and the rest of the features are also made. This activity is very simple and very easy. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 10 to 11. Let's move further with our another activity. You just have to make the body first, and then you just have to add the features like the triangular ears and the whiskers and the nose and the paws and the eyes and the cute tiny tail. It's a cute little kitty cat that we have made by following few steps. We will now move further towards our another activity. First, you just have to trace down the number 8 over the upper hand of the 8. You just have to build the head, and the rest of the features are also added. It's simplest of all. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.